To spawn diff meteors we need to make prefab of it and create a script spanner. Take an array of game objects for meteors. Know of meteors count and delay to spawn an array of meteors. Now prepare meteors. Meteors array with total meteors add instantiate random meteors under this game object and set active as false. We need to call this at the start. Now to active it need a numerator to set active meteors after some delay of time. And call it the start. A change in prepare need to take no of prefab. Now set no of different meteors. Color like this. Assign it in the spanner script. Total count is 10 and delay set to 4s. Create meteors prefab. And create script. But we already have meteor script, so inherit it. Here we have to overwrite only die function to meteor script. Else all the things are same. To make its inheritance we need to remove mono behavior and write meteor. Need to make projected all variable and function and it die we need virtual so can overwrite it in Fission script. Here need split prefabs and phi function to split small meteors. Instantiate game object split prefab position no rotation and under this game object. and give some velocity to its rigid body. Do same but now with for loop. But we have different value, so need to use this left and right. Now to Meteor Fissionable prefab, add this script, give health, jump force and assign rigid body, add split prefab and assign it. Add this meteor to our span script. Let's check. Slow down littler bit, and we can check need to spawn at same position. So, do it. For that we need to check is fissionable or not. If fissionable then fall down, else do same. In prepare meteors, set this to false. Yo, done. Yeah, game working smooth as we need it. So, thanks for watching. If you need more videos like this, please do subscribe and enjoy gaming.